watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada. Rayagada district. On the 30th of March 2021, although the state government has sanctioned millions of rupees for drinking water supply to all villages, emphasizing water supply, the Raghubari Panchayat in Rayagada district, Muniguda block, 73 years after independence, are still deprived of basic amenities. While the state government has always been committed to the development of each region, burgling is taking place in the name of the development of the foothills. In Raghubari and Bimiriguda Panchayats for the last 3 years, more than 15 lakh rupees has been sanctioned, and water tanks have been constructed. But, in general, so far, people have been deprived of their basic amenities for drinking water. Since they live in the suburbs, no government official has been able to find a way out of this predicament. In order to get rid of the drinking water problem, finally the women of this area are in preparation seriously to blockade to the block office within short days. After many years of independence, leaders come to the polls every election, and people from poor, tribal and horizon backgrounds vote sweetly by showing the mirror of development. Nevertheless, development is a nightmare for the Raghubari people. Since the village is a valley area, government projects are very convenient for cheating innocent people by bribing government officials and contractors. District collectors and sub-collectors visit very little and listen to the pleas of the people, only to promise the development of the area. However, development remains only within government documents, and the public survives on the fate of the people. Under the government scheme, there is a sub-health center. Other than the health department has no services. There are no staffs in revenue office. The Anganwadi center is found closed due to no staffs, and in many areas the panchayat is not functioning. With a little focus on the area, with the right to basic living and basic rights, the right to life, government officials seem to be keeping their jobs on paper only, and taking on their responsibilities to heat up the pockets of them. To whom it will tell? Who will listen? In this regard, our representative contacted the officials of the Water and Sanitation Department, but he declined to comment in front of the camera. He said he promised to provide drinking water to the people within a month. Report from Kshama Sagar Das, Sigma Media Lab, Muniguda, Odisha.